Your site just went down. Right now, how long until someone actually knows? For most teams, the answer is too long, and your customers find out first. Alert24 fixes that. One platform for uptime monitoring, on-call, incident response, and status pages, replacing 3 separate tools and 3 separate bills. Start by watching everything that matters: HTTP, TCP, DNS, SSL certificates, and heartbeats, plus the third-party services you rely on, like AWS and Stripe. Checks can run as often as every minute, around the clock. The moment a check fails, Alert24 opens an incident automatically and pages the right person. No one scrambling, no one guessing who's responsible. On-call schedules and escalation policies make sure alerts never slip through the cracks. Build them visually with drag and drop. Parallel paths, business hours routing, repeat loops. No config files. When something breaks, your public status page updates itself. Customers stay informed, and your inbox stays quiet. And every incident feeds your analytics, mean time to resolve, uptime trends, and the data your team needs to improve every single sprint. Monitoring, incidents, on-call, and status pages. One platform. Start free today at alert24.net.